ProductCart Configurator gives merchants the ability to construct customizable products. This gives their customers the ability to pick and choose items that they would like to include in a product package, or to select from a variety of option items to construct perhaps a bundle of services is one example, or in this instance, a custom desktop computer. As you can see here, we have the product detail page for a custom desktop, and what we're going to take a look at today is how to add some of the option items that go together to comprise a customizable configuration. The main difference between a configurator detail page and a standard detail page is this link right here that says configuration. This takes you to the page where the configuration is actually constructed. These are the various categories of items and the items themselves that customers will have available to select from to build their customized package. Today we're going to look at how to add items to these. As you can see, the configuration is built from a number of different categories of customizable items or option add-ons for the product. To add a new item to one of these categories, or from one of these categories rather, you simply select the link that says add a new item, and if there are any items remaining in that category that have not been selected for this particular configuration, they'll show up on this page. To add one of these items to the configuration, you just select the item by checking on it and then submit that, and you'll see that that's been added to the list of items that are available under this category in the storefront. If there are multiple items to select from, see if there are any items here. As you can see, you can select those and add multiple items at the same time. If there aren't any more items available in a given category, then you won't get anything when that pops up on the screen. And what that will tell you is that every item that's in that category has already been added to the configuration. To remove an item from, well, first of all, let's do this, because one of the key things is after every time you make an update to a configuration, make sure you go down to the bottom and tell it to save the update by clicking on the update button. If you don't do that, the configuration will not be saved, regardless of what it might look like on your screen. When a customer goes to the page, they're going to see the old configuration. They're not going to see the new one. To delete an item from a configuration, you just select the delete checkbox over here and then go down to the bottom and find the link that says delete selected and click the little box up here that says, yep, I realize I'm about to delete something. You delete that item, and then once you've done that, again, don't forget to go to the bottom of the configuration and click the update button to make sure that information gets saved. Adding a new category to configuration is also a pretty simple process. That goes to this link here. It says add new category. So we can add a new category of items to this. For instance, we can add the category motherboard, so you can select an optional, or the customers the ability to select an optional motherboard, and it's the same process. You select the items that you want to add, click the submit button, and you're going to notice that this new category has showed up at the top because right now it has the order set of 0, and 0 takes precedence. If you want this to be the last one, there are 4 existing categories already on this product. Excuse me, I can't count. There are 5, so we're going to make this one category number 6 so that it goes to the bottom of the list. And then you go to the bottom of the page and make sure you click update so that the information gets saved. But actually managing products and the options that are available on them in ProductCart Configurator is a fairly straightforward process, and it gives your customers a lot of options and a lot of power to build products that exactly suit their needs.